Ever wondered why okra is considered a superfood? Well, let's dive into the intriguing world of this unique vegetable. Native to Africa, okra, also known as lady's fingers, has been gracing our plates for centuries. This green, finger-shaped pod has traveled across continents, becoming a staple in cuisines from Asia to the Americas. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the versatility of okra. It can be stewed, pickled, fried, or even tossed into salads. And not to forget, it's a star ingredient in the famous southern US dish, gumbo. But it's not just its culinary versatility that's making headlines. It's the nutritional prowess of okra that's causing a stir. Okra is gaining popularity as a superfood, and rightfully so. It's packed with essential nutrients, low in calories, and has a high water content. In fact, it's a treasure trove of dietary fiber, vitamin C, and folate. But the goodness doesn't stop there. It also contains potent antioxidants that are believed to fight harmful free radicals in our body. But what makes okra stand out in the crowd of superfoods is its slimy texture. Yes, you heard it right. The sliminess that many might find off-putting is actually a goldmine of health benefits. This gooey substance is known as mucilage, and it's rich in soluble fiber. Soluble fiber is known for its ability to support digestive health, control blood sugar levels, and even aid in weight management. The humble okra is finally getting the spotlight it deserves, not just as a versatile culinary ingredient, but also as a potent superfood. Its unique combination of taste, texture, and nutritional benefits is winning hearts and minds across the globe, making it a must-have in our diets. As we continue our journey, we'll delve deeper into the health benefits of this fascinating vegetable. So get ready to be amazed as we unravel the surprising health secrets of okra. Stay tuned to discover the surprising health secrets of okra. Imagine a food that's packed with essential nutrients. That's okra for you. A humble yet mighty vegetable, okra, or as some like to call it, lady's fingers, is a veritable powerhouse of nutrients. First off, it's high in dietary fiber. Now we all know fiber is good for us, but do we know why? Well, fiber aids digestion, helps control hunger by making us feel full, and even assists in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. And guess what? Just 1 cup of okra can provide over 3 grams of fiber. But the nutritional goodness of okra doesn't stop there. It's also rich in vitamins. Vitamins A, C, and K to be precise. Vitamin A is crucial for good vision and a strong immune system. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is an antioxidant that protects our body from harmful free radicals and boosts our immunity. And vitamin K? It plays a key role in blood clotting and bone metabolism. Moving on, let's talk about antioxidants. These are substances that help protect our cells against the effects of free radicals. Free radicals, if you're wondering, are molecules produced when your body breaks down food or when you're exposed to tobacco smoke or radiation. Okra is packed with antioxidants such as polyphenols, which not only protect our body but also have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. And finally, minerals. Okra contains a good amount of essential minerals like magnesium, folate, and calcium. Magnesium is crucial for many processes in the body, including regulating muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. Folate is essential for the body's growth and development, especially during pregnancy. And calcium, we all know, is vital for strong bones and teeth. Impressive, right? But that's just the beginning of what okra has to offer. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add this nutrient powerhouse to your shopping cart. It's not just a vegetable, it's a weapon in your arsenal for good health. It's time to dive into the first part of the health secrets of okra. Now let's talk about digestion. Okra is a rich source of dietary fiber, which can work wonders in promoting a healthy digestive system. The high fiber content can help add bulk to your diet, assisting in preventing constipation and maintaining regular bowel movements. This might seem like a minor benefit, but a healthy digestive system is the cornerstone of overall well-being. But the benefits of okra don't stop there. For those managing diabetes, okra could be your new best friend. Some studies suggest that the seeds within okra might help reduce blood sugar levels. This is because they contain a type of protein called lectin, which can help regulate the rate at which sugar is absorbed from the intestinal tract. It's a fascinating way that this humble vegetable might contribute to a balanced diet for those with diabetes. And let's not forget about the heart. Heart health is a major concern for many, and okra comes to the rescue again. It's packed with antioxidants and fiber, both of which contribute to lower cholesterol levels. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease, as lower cholesterol levels mean less plaque buildup in your arteries. Moreover, okra is a good source of folate, a B vitamin that can help your body produce red blood cells and prevent heart defects. And the potassium content in okra, it helps in balancing electrolytes, therefore regulating blood pressure. These are just some of the ways okra can contribute to our health. It's amazing to think that this unassuming vegetable, often overlooked in the grocery aisle, could have such profound impacts on our well-being. And if you think that's all, wait till you hear the next set of benefits. Ready for more? Let's continue unraveling okra's health secrets. Our journey into the world of okra's health benefits takes us next to the immune system, our body's first line of defense against disease and infection. Okra is a fantastic source of antioxidants, including vitamins A and C, which help to fortify our immune system. These antioxidants fight against harmful free radicals in our bodies, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases. So, adding okra to your diet could help keep those pesky colds and flu at bay. Now let's turn our attention to the expectant mothers among us. Pregnancy is a time when nutrition is paramount, and okra comes to the rescue yet again. It's rich in folate, a crucial nutrient for a healthy pregnancy. Folate assists in the development of the fetus's neural tube, which forms the brain and spine. It also helps to prevent birth defects associated with the brain and spine. So if you're expecting or planning, it might be time to start incorporating more okra into your meals. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about skin health. Our skin is our largest organ, and it deserves some tender, loving care. Okra is packed with dietary fiber, which aids in better digestion. And better digestion means better skin. How? Well, when our body effectively removes waste and toxins, it reflects positively on our skin, giving it that healthy glow we all strive for. Additionally, okra's high vitamin C content also plays a crucial role in keeping our skin looking young and vibrant. It assists in the growth and repair of tissues, promoting collagen production, which is key for skin elasticity, so there you have it. Okra, this humble green vegetable, is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a wide range of health benefits from boosting your immunity, promoting a healthy pregnancy, to improving your skin health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing health facts. We've covered a lot, haven't we? Now, let's summarize. We've journeyed through the intriguing world of okra and discovered its place as a nutrient powerhouse. This humble pod, often overlooked, is teeming with vitamins, minerals, and other health-boosting compounds. We've learned that okra is a rich source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, and folic acid, among others. These nutrients serve as the foundation for okra's impressive health benefits. In our exploration of okra's health benefits, we've uncovered its role in promoting digestive health. The high fiber content aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and maintains a healthy gut, which is essential for overall well-being. Okra also plays a part in weight management. Its low calorie count, coupled with its high fiber content, makes it an excellent food choice for those looking to shed some pounds or maintain a healthy weight. We've also delved into how okra supports heart health. Its ability to lower bad cholesterol levels reduces the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, the potassium in okra helps maintain a healthy blood pressure level, providing yet another layer of cardiovascular protection. Then, there's okra's contribution to maintaining healthy skin. The antioxidants and vitamin C it contains help to keep our skin glowing and youthful. Not to mention, the vitamin A and other antioxidants in okra are beneficial for eye health, helping to prevent age-related eye disorders. Indeed, the health secrets of okra are astounding. But remember, the best way to reap these benefits is by incorporating okra into your diet regularly. Whether you choose to stew it, grill it, or even juice it, there's no denying the health advantages this superfood provides. So, that's the secret of okra's superfood status. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join us next time for more health insights.